Hello tool lovers, welcome to the channel. Don't skip this video, because today we're showcasing 20 new woodworking tools every DIYer should see. From smart cutting gadgets to time-saving workshop innovations, these amazing tools can make your projects easier, faster, and more precise. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned woodworker, these must-see tools could become your next favorite workshop upgrades. Log Splitter. The Attec Log Splitter is a heavy-duty hydraulic attachment built for demanding forestry and land clearing jobs. Designed to mount on skid steers, loaders, telescopic handlers, and excavators, it uses the host machine's hydraulic power for impressive splitting force. Its rugged steel construction and industrial-grade cylinder ensure long-lasting durability under continuous use. By allowing operators to lift, position, and split large logs with minimal manual handling, it greatly improves safety, productivity, and workplace efficiency. Compound Mitre Saw. The Triton TJS001 sliding compound miter saw is a powerful 1,800 watt workshop tool built for precise woodworking and carpentry. Its innovative wall-hugging sliding system saves valuable bench space, while the 254mm carbide blade delivers clean, accurate cuts. Features like dual bevel adjustment, a two-way laser guide, trench cut depth control, and micro-adjustable miter settings provide exceptional versatility. Integrated side supports and repeat stop extensions make handling longboards easier and improve cutting accuracy. Triton TJS001. The Triton TJS001 is a powerful 750 watt barrel grip jigsaw designed for maximum control and precision. Its low-profile body keeps your hand closer to the workpiece, making curved and detailed cuts easier to manage. With variable speeds from 800 to 2,900 SPM, a 4-position orbital action, and tool-free bevel adjustment, it handles wood, aluminum, and steel with ease. The quick-release blade system and lock-on switch also improve comfort and efficiency during extended projects. Lamello LC P-16. The Lamello LC P-16 is an innovative anchoring system designed for joining lightweight and hollow core panels without internal timber framing. Acting as a strong mechanical adapter, it securely locks into the panel surface and works with Clamex connectors for invisible, detachable joints. Available in multiple sizes, it speeds up furniture production by eliminating glue and clamp time. Its high-load design makes it ideal for cabinetry, exhibition displays, camper vans, marine interiors, and modern lightweight construction. Benchtop router table. The Trend CRTMK3. Portable benchtop router table is a professional-grade workstation that transforms a handheld router into a precise stationary cutting system. Its rigid aluminum insert plate prevents sagging and ensures smooth, accurate routing. Equipped with an NVR safety switch, adjustable fence, dust extraction port, and anti-kickback featherboards, it enhances both safety and performance. The portable design and above-table adjustment compatibility make it an excellent choice for woodworking shops and serious DIY projects. Hole saw sets. The Trend. Hole saw sets are heavy-duty multi-material cutting kits built for electricians, plumbers, and professional remodelers. Featuring M42 high-speed steel with 8% cobalt teeth, they deliver excellent durability, reduced heat buildup, and long-lasting cutting performance. Their variable pitch tooth design provides smoother cuts and faster chip removal across wood, metal, plastics, and composite materials. Supplied with a quick release arbor and pilot drill, these versatile sets offer reliable, high-precision drilling for demanding workshop and job site tasks.
Woodpecker's Indexable Mitre Sled. The Woodpecker's Indexable Mitre Sled combines cross-cut sled stability with precise mitre gauge control for highly accurate angled cuts. Index positive stops lock common angles, 15 degrees to 60 degrees, for polygon shapes, while a laser-engraved acrylic window enables infinite custom angles. A micro-adjustable flip stop ensures repeatable cuts, and the patented leaf spring mitre bar fits standard slots snugly. The 15 by 15 inch Baltic birch sled, adjustable from above, features a graduated aluminum fence, 18 to 31 inches, an optional drop zone, off-cut table for safer, efficient cutting. Massca Twin Pocket Hole Jig Set. The Massca Twin Pocket Hole Jig Set, M2, is a durable portable woodworking solution for drilling strong, concealed pocket holes quickly and accurately. Its dual hardened steel drill guides allow simultaneous twin hole drilling, while the innovative cam action clamp secures both jig and workpiece effortlessly. Adjustable for 1/2 inch to 1 1/2 inch material thickness, it features a built-in depth stop for precise joints, a dust collection port for clean work, and rugged construction combining glass-filled nylon and aluminum. Perfect for cabinets, furniture, and frameworks. JessEm Sword Squares. The JessEm Sword Squares are precision-crafted T-squares combining durability, accuracy, and unique workflow features. Patented flex grip technology prevents slipping by focusing fingertip pressure, while retractable balancing tabs ensure stable contact with boards. Dual-sided laser-etched markings support both imperial and metric measurements, and integrated scribing notches enable precise layout lines. Built from 301 stainless steel blades and anodized aluminum handles, these squares achieve 0.002 inches accuracy. Available in 4 sword lengths, from the 6-inch dagger to the 24-inch claymore, for every woodworking task. Festool DTSC 200 Delta Sander. The Festool DTSC 200 Delta Sander is a powerful, single-handed cordless tool designed for precision sanding in corners and edges. Its integrated LED light ring reveals imperfections instantly, while the ECTEC brushless motor delivers quiet, consistent power. Ergonomic design with low vibration ensures comfort during extended use. Features like a carbide-tipped pad brake, triple-use sanding pads, variable speed control, cordless freedom, and smart Festool app connectivity make it ideal for efficient, high-quality woodworking and finishing. Massca Pocket Hole Jig System. The Massca Pocket Hole Jig System combines durability and precision for professional quality woodworking. Its heavy-duty aluminum body and hardened steel drill guides ensure strong, accurate pocket holes, while the adjustable depth knob accommodates wood from 1/2 inch to 1 1/2 inches. The built-in clamping system, magnetic quick adjust base, and removable jig provide stability and versatility. Additional features include dust collection, integrated measuring gauges, and, in the M2 Pro model, stabilizing bars, stop blocks, and a T-track slot for repeatable, precise cuts. Woodpeckers Ultra-Shear. Micro-bearing flush. The Woodpeckers Ultra-Shear, micro-bearing flush. Trim bit is a premium, American-made router bit engineered for ultra-precise work in tight spaces. Its tiny 3/16" micro ball bearings glide smoothly through sharp internal corners where standard bits fail. Built from fine-grained solid carbide with a shear cutting flute design, it delivers clean, burn-free cuts, minimal tear-out, and excellent durability. Ideal for intricate template routing, inlays, and detailed pattern work. DOVAMAN Sliding Mitre Saw. The DOVAMAN Sliding Mitre Saw is a versatile corded electric saw available in 10-inch and 12-inch models, both powered by a strong 15-amp motor. Its sliding rails extend cutting capacity for wider materials, while the built-in laser guide ensures precise cuts. The saw supports dual bevel and mitre angles up to 45 degrees, features extendable side plates, an ambidextrous ergonomic design, and an integrated dust bag. The 10-inch model includes dual speed and multi-material cutting capabilities, making it ideal for DIY and professional projects. BORA Jobhorse Leg Brackets. The BORA Jobhorse Leg Brackets PM3310 are a versatile, heavy-duty sawhorse solution for carpenters, DIYers, and construction pros. Designed to work with standard 2x lumber, each pair supports up to 1,000 pounds. Foot-activated hinge locks and angled teeth ensure a stable, slip-free hold, even on uneven ground. The brackets fold compactly for easy storage and transport, while pre-drilled holes allow adding a sacrificial top. Create custom-length sawhorses quickly and securely for any project. HARDELL Mini Rotary Tool. The HARDELL Mini Rotary Tool is a compact, lightweight and cordless tool perfect for precise DIY and crafting projects. Featuring 5 adjustable speed settings from 5,000 to 18,000 RPM, it handles sanding, polishing, drilling, engraving, and light cutting with ease. Its built-in LED light illuminates tight spaces, while a rechargeable USB battery ensures portability. With over 60 versatile accessories and easy bit changes, this tool offers exceptional control, precision, and convenience for detailed, intricate work. EZARC AW Blade. EZARC saw blades are engineered for superior performance and durability, crafted from premium materials like carbide, high cobalt bimetal, and chromium vanadium. Designed for a variety of applications, from precise woodworking to heavy-duty demolition, these blades feature optimized tooth geometries, variable TPI, and specialized coatings for smoother, faster cuts. With universal shank compatibility, EZARC blades fit all major saw brands, ensuring versatility across materials like wood, metal, PVC, and masonry. Arc edge and non-stick designs enhance cutting efficiency and blade longevity. WORX Circular Electric Saw. The WORX Circular Electric Saw combines compact, lightweight design with versatile cutting performance, perfect for both DIYers and professionals. Available in corded and cordless, PowerShare 20-volt models, it features adjustable bevels up to 45 degrees for precise cuts. Enhanced visibility comes from LED work lights, laser guides, and left-sided blades. Safety is prioritized with an electric blade brake, safety lock switch, and spindle lock. Select models include exact rack technology for flawless straight cuts. A dust port keeps your workspace clean. PacTool Snapper Shear Pro. The PacTool Snapper Shear Pro is a drill attachment engineered for precise dust-free cutting of fibre cement backerboard and siding. Compatible with any 18-volt or higher cordless drill, it transforms your drill into a versatile cutter. Its 360-degree swivel head allows straight, curved, or circle cuts with clean edges, while durable reversible blades handle up to 20,000 linear feet. Designed for professionals and DIYers, the Snapper Shear Pro ensures safe, efficient, and accurate cutting with minimal airborne dust, keeping job sites clean and OSHA compliant. GOINGMAKE Table Saw Mitre Gauge. The GOINGMAKE Table Saw Mitre Gauge is a premium woodworking accessory designed for precision and reliability. Featuring a micro-adjustable flip stop, an extendable aluminum fence, and multiple positive angle stops, it ensures highly accurate crosscuts and mitre cuts. Its zero calibration and zero fit mitre bar provide effortless alignment and stability. Built from durable aluminum alloy, it combines strength with precision. Ideal for professionals and hobbyists alike, this mitre gauge makes repeatable, flawless cuts easy, efficient, and reliable every time. Milescraft Track Saw Guide. The Milescraft Track Saw Guide converts a standard circular saw into a precision cutting system, offering all aluminum construction for rigidity and an easy align red cutting strip for splinter-free cuts. Compatible with most saws up to 7 1/4 inches, it features anti-slip strips and T-track clamps for secure placement. Expandable rails handle full 8-foot sheets, while low-profile design allows deep cuts up to 2 inches. Smooth operation is ensured with glide adjustable pads, making setup quick and accurate for professional quality results. KATA Door Lock Kit. The KATA Door Lock Kit is a complete, easy-to-use solution for installing standard door locks in wood or metal-clad doors. It features an adjustable U-type guide template with snap lock arms for precise door thickness and backset alignment. The kit includes durable carbon steel and M42 bi-metal hole saws, 1 inch and 2 1/8 inch, an arbor with pilot drill bit, and all necessary components. Ideal for DIYers and professionals, it ensures fast, accurate installation of most deadbolts and knob locks.